This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness. With the people, products, and technology to take you there, it's why they say, at PennyMac, greatness lives here.
Just because you're doing something novel with technology doesn't mean that traditional consumer protection laws and regulations don't apply.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Mike Savino. And that was an official with the FTC saying that the agency is looking to send a message to tech-based startups. And the FTC did just that Monday, announcing a proposed $62 million settlement with Opendoor after determining that the company used misleading marketing with customers. According to the FTC, Opendoor showed potential customers charts indicating they could make thousands of dollars more selling their homes to Opendoor than if they had put those homes on the market.
In almost every instance, it showed that sellers were going to make more money, and down to $1, right? Which I think has more credibility.
But investigators also say that customers typically got significantly less than they would have if they had listed their homes on the market. Opendoor offered less than market value and had higher costs than traditional real estate agents. In its statement, Opendoor denied the allegations and said our decision to settle with the commission will allow us to resolve the matter and focus on helping customers buy, sell, and move with simplicity, certainty, and speed. The company also says that the allegations occurred between 2017 and 2019. The company has changed its marketing materials since then. The $62 million would mostly go to repay customers, and Opendoor would agree to stop deceiving home sellers.
Opendoor is going to have to abide by the terms of that offer, which include restrictions on what it can say, and it's going to require that the company have evidence to back up its claims. It's going to require the company not misrepresent things.
The public has 30 days to comment on the proposed settlement. After that time, the FTC will vote on whether to make the proposal final. In other news, it's been a tough earnings season for the mortgage industry, but two mortgage insurers reported strong numbers this morning. First was Enact, which saw net income in the second quarter grow by 24% from the first quarter, and that means it had 56% growth from a year ago. Our performance reflects the continued execution of our strategy, the strength and resiliency of our business model, and the sustained performance of our outstanding team. Likewise, Radian saw net income grow by 11% from the first quarter, and that means a 30% boost from this time last year. Like the rest of the industry, Radian saw its revenues related to refinancing drop, but the company saw growth elsewhere.
Despite the slowdown in our refinance title volumes, we are seeing growing interest in our home equity title products and services from some of the largest financial institutions as they ramp up their home equity lending business.
Both companies also remain optimistic about their futures, even with uncertainty surrounding the housing market and the economy in general. Enact's CEO said that overall market conditions and the long-term drivers of demand remain constructive, and we believe we are well positioned to execute on our strategy in a dynamic market. Radian executives made similar comments during their conference call.
This is due to the positive dynamics in terms of high credit quality borrowers, low housing supply, and continuing demand coming from first-time homebuyers.
So Enact and Radian have been able to shift away from last year's refi boom, but many in the industry are still struggling to find a transition of their own. You can learn how to remake your business and take advantage of untapped opportunities at Originator Connect in Las Vegas starting on August 19th. That's just one of the many sessions you'll be able to attend. To sign up, go to originatorconnect.com. And of course, Christine Stewart and I will be in Las Vegas starting on August 15th, talking with the industry's top leaders and experts at Originator Connect.
This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.